Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Akuvox Smart Intercom and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this device seems to be lagging or not responding, or if it is not working, it's not following the configurations you've set for it, any kind of troubleshooting issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason you might want to do this, and you'll have to do this either way, is that if you want to set it up as a new device, maybe you're setting it up in a new home, or maybe you want to get a fresh start and have it like it was out of the box, we can go ahead and do that with a factory default setting, and we can do that right on the display. If we just come into the menu, and then we're going to select More once we get to the menu, and then we're going to select the settings. Once we get to the settings menu, we'll select Advanced, and right in Advanced, you'll see there is a reset option where we can reset it to its default factory settings like it was when it came out of the box.